Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use glide bombs in War Thunder. Glide bombs are powerful weapons that let you strike targets from a safe distance, minimizing exposure to enemy anti-air. They are essentially unpowered bombs with wings, designed to travel a long way after release. Mastering them involves understanding their unique flight path and release parameters. We'll cover the essential steps to effectively deploy these advanced munitions. To begin, ensure you have a glide bomb equipped on your aircraft. Climb to a high altitude, ideally between 4,000 and 6,000 meters, to maximize the bomb's glide range. Once airborne, activate your targeting pod or bomb sight. Carefully align the targeting reticle with your intended ground target. Wait for the perfect moment of alignment, then release the bomb. This precision is key for a successful strike. For maximum impact, target stationary objectives such as bases, pillboxes, or slow-moving ground convoys. Always aim to release your glide bomb from outside the effective range of enemy anti-air, typically several kilometers away. Consider your aircraft's speed and altitude, as these factors significantly influence the bomb's trajectory. Experiment with various release parameters in custom battles to refine your technique and improve accuracy. The best way to master glide bombs is through consistent practice. Head into custom battles to experiment with different aircraft and their unique targeting systems without the pressure of live combat. This allows you to fine-tune your release techniques and understand bomb ballistics. Also, for a different kind of precision, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll be hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.